nature, and you will understand everything better. Are one level of the biodiversity. These are the species diversity. And this one thing of the one kind of animals they're all genetic. They're not the same. And this is the genetic diversity. They might have not the same genetic too. And this whole thing they're living is called the ecosystem diversity, and those all three levels make up the biodiversity. Biodiversity is everywhere on Earth, on the land or in the ocean. Biodiversity is the foundation of Earth for living.